Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We have been out kayaking at Cattail Cove State Park in Arizona, and we're about to head back to the camper and make some lunch. Let's get going. So right now we are going to make a sauce for some chicken sandwiches. I've got some jackfruit getting ready to boil. Over here I have one batch of our sriracha glaze that I got out of our Williams-Sonoma cookbook. So inside of that, I'm gonna blend in some sun-dried tomatoes, some more brown sugar, and a whole bunch of garlic cloves, and our jackfruit. I'm hoping that this is gonna make a super creamy barbecue sauce. So I've got the jackfruit in there. Now I'm going to water it down with some of this fruit flavored water. I think that would give the barbecue sauce a nice taste. And I've got a couple chicken breasts over here cut up, and I'm just gonna heat them up a little bit. Well, thank you very much for watching that video. I enjoyed making it and the sauce was very unique. This is the second time I've used jackfruit. The first time I used it as a meat alternative and it was pretty yummy, and this time I tried to blend it into a sauce. Now it does taste good, but for me it just has kind of a different aftertaste. Before the jackfruit, this sauce was amazing, and after the jackfruit, the sauce was still delicious. Definitely try out jackfruit and try out this sauce recipe and this sandwich recipe. If you do, tell us about it in the comments. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time me and Zena upload a video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.